So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a text in a circle logo without a software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for curvetextio. Just simply go to this website. Maybe there's some spelling issue, let me just correct it quickly. Now just simply go to the website, and here you can see all you need to do is just simply type the data, type the text you want, and you can directly draw the text in any of the curvature you want, or it will even it will themselves will generate some curves as well if you want. Here you can see you can customize it by any way you want. Even there are some circles as well that you can use. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.